Hi, my name is Victor, and our channel is about travel, Albania, and Bali. But today we're flying to Italy, and this episode is all about Italy, Milan. So, we've already landed at the airport near Milan, about 40 kilometers from the city. Right here at the airport, you'll find buses. We paid 24 euros for 2 people, and we're heading straight to the center of Milan, to the central bus station. Next on our plan, my daughter studied interior design, and during these dates there's an international design exhibition happening in Milan. That's exactly why we came here. We arrived by bus to the railway station. The bus dropped us off at Milan Central train station. Now we're going to find the metro, and from there we'll take the metro directly to the exhibition. At the exhibition area, we stopped by a cafe and grabbed some rice with shrimp, 2 rice dishes, and 1 salad. The total came to 35 euros. Of everything we saw today, I loved this bathtub the most. I don't need a bed or a sofa. I could literally live in that bathtub. And this chandelier weighs 450 kilograms and costs over 200,000 euros with gold plating. Good morning, everyone. Right now we're at Lake Como in the town Lecco. Look at these beautiful views. And over here on this side, a mountain. Oh, and a little waterfall too, right over there. Seriously, amazing views. The only downside is that it's pretty far. That's actually why we stayed here. When we were looking for a place in Milan close to the exhibition, everything was super expensive. Hotels and apartments that normally cost 7,100 euros a night were suddenly 1,200 euros per night during the exhibition. So, yeah, not really something we wanted to pay for. That's why we chose to enjoy these views instead. It's much cheaper here. The only minus, getting into the city takes a while. From here, we still have to take a train to Milan Central Station. That takes about 40 minutes. And from there, we ride to the last stop on the red metro line with a transfer. So the whole trip one way takes at least an hour and a half. But the upside, you step outside in the morning to fresh air. It's beautiful. It's great. We messed up a little bit. Well, I did. We got off a bit too early and didn't make it to Milan Central Station. Some Italians nearby said Milan, and almost everyone got off the train, so we followed. But then we realized we were not at the right stop, and by the time we tried to get back on, the doors had closed. But hey, we're standing here now. The birds are singing and the views are amazing. We'll just wait for the next train and continue on to Milan. We just chatted with a girl. Turns out she is from CIS country and had a really good conversation. And it turned out we had gotten on the wrong train from Lecco in the first place. It wasn't even going toward Milan. So now we have to go back through Lecco and take the right train to Milan. Oh well, it's part of the adventure. We stopped by another cafe. Italy, of course, is more expensive than Albania when it comes to cafes. Anyway, we ordered a banana milkshake. Let's see what they bring. It's 7 euros for 1 cup. I ordered a vegetarian panini, and Karina got one with ham and cheese. Let's see what shows up. Mine cost 10 euros, and hers probably 10 too. Here's one. And here's my second vegetarian panini. Pretty good. For dinner, we ordered seafood pasta. What can I say about cafes and restaurants here in Italy? The service is on a completely different level compared to Albania. It's like night and day. Even just the table, it's spotless. We've been sitting here for 15 minutes, haven't even started eating, and they've already wiped the table 3 times, checked on us twice, asking if we need anything else. Then someone came over and offered us some grated cheese. They even offered to take a photo for us. So here's the grated cheese. They sprinkled it for us. Seriously, the service is excellent. No words. Let's see what the final bill is. The check came. 40 and 35 euros for the pastas, plus a charge for service. In total, we had dinner for 101 euros. That's Italy. Behind me is the restaurant. It's right next to the train station. The waiters were very pushy and persistent. Before you order anything here, definitely check the prices first. We paid 101 euros for a modest dinner, and after that, the waiter basically asked for a tip 10 euros in a pushy way to his personal card. Well, we did send him a tip, but still, be careful. The place